They've always said that they don't know what they would ever do without each other, and literally, I don't think they could have planned this any better. Like, they knew they couldn't live without each other.
They couldn't live without each other. This story, yet it is truly heartbreaking. A couple who just celebrated 50 years of marriage. They died of COVID on the same day.
Yeah, they are two of the more than 3,200 Arizonans who died in the month of January, which is now, by the way, the deadliest month of the pandemic here in our state. Here's Kim Powell.
It is the leading cause of death in a 12-month window for Arizona, without a doubt.
13,576 and counting.
The total number of deaths here, over 13,500 deaths, puts COVID-19 well ahead now of both heart disease and cancer.
More than half of the state's COVID-19 deaths have happened in the last 2 months. But it's more than just statistics. Those numbers are somebody's somebody.
It's difficult to lose one of your parents, let alone both of them. It's devastating. Nobody was ever prepared for that.
Melissa Montano's parents, Manuel and Sally, are two of the more than 3,200 deaths in January. They caught the virus in early December and just couldn't shake it. The couple ended up on ventilators at Banner Estrella, and the nurses moved them into the same room as they never liked being away from one another.
Honestly, I think that they felt each other there. They said a lot of my dad's saturation levels got better when my mom was moved there, even though he wasn't quite aware, but he probably felt her presence there.
Manuel and Sally met when they were teenagers. They kept in touch while Manuel fought in the Vietnam War. When he returned, they eloped and started what would become a big family. Now 68 and 71 years old, their 50th wedding anniversary was spent in the hospital, side by side, hooked up to machines, before their 6 children had to make the hardest decision.
The moment we took them off of the ventilators, it was less than 5 minutes, and we saw a tear in my mom's eye, and they both passed at the same exact time.
Manuel and Sally Montano, 13,576 and counting. Kim Powell for Arizona's Family.